Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given 4,000 Singapore dollars can be exchanged for 25,300 Hong Kong dollars. So find the exchange rate in terms of SGD over Hong Kong dollars. This simply means that they would want us to find the exchange rate by having 4,000 SGD dividing by Hong Kong dollar, and this will be equal to, do take note, all the answers going to be corrected to 4 significant figures later on. So let me have 4,000 divided by 25,300. This will give me 0.15810.03. This is to 6 figures, so that we can then round it up to 4 significant figures. So it will be 81, and this one is SGD. SGD over Hong Kong dollar. This is to 4 SF. Alright. Now, let's move on to the part B. Where they will want us for Hong Kong dollars over Singapore dollars. So A part 2 is just the opposite. I'm going to have the Hong Kong dollars dividing by the Singapore dollars. 6.325 Hong Kong dollars for 1 Singapore dollars. For part B, what do we have? We have 38. She bought a necklace for 38,000 Hong Kong dollar. How much is the price in Singapore dollars? So for this particular question, we are going to use this exchange rate here. Okay, because this represents how much Singapore dollars for 1 Hong Kong dollar. Alright, so for part B, right, 1 Hong Kong dollar represents 0.158103 Singapore dollars. And now we have 38,000 Hong Kong dollar. That's why I am going to just multiply by 38,000 here to give me this answer, 0.158103 times 38,000, and I will get 6007.914. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 SF. The final answer in 4 significant figure, 6008 SGD, which is to 4 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.